Be home before dark. Why honey and bumblebees can't fly at night.
Did you know that?
I mean, I've never seen them at night, but I didn't know that there was a rule on that one.
So this is a really short clip. It went viral, and basically you have like a cube and there's honeybees in there and it has light. And all of a sudden this guy turns off the light and then they just all drop.
Damn. You're right. I've never seen this before.
But they're still alive. Like they're just waddling around.
Yeah, they don't try to glide. They don't come down slowly. They just drop. Bam.
Wait, sorry. Why do they do this?
Because apparently they just need to find pollen. That's why they fly and travel.
Okay.
But without the sun to direct them, it's they don't feel the need to.
Got it. That makes sense.
Why am I flying right now?
Yeah. Like they usually just stay at home.
I think it could be a defense mechanism, right? If they're flying at night, they might be an easy catch for like a bat or something.
Maybe.
Right, yeah. I didn't think about that.
But have you ever...
Because there's other animals that use different nav.
All right.
I'm serious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
But it got me thinking, like, I've never seen a bumblebee fly at night.
No.
So,
June bugs, though.
oh, yeah.
Remember June bugs? Saw one the other day. Pepper is obsessed with June bugs. If she sees a June bug, she wants to figure out what's going on every time.
Yeah.